Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2018 Pete 567 day cab to show you. Built with an X15 Cummins, 10-speed, 411 gears. Got a headache rack and a wet kit. 256,000 miles. One owner. Been hauling equipment for equipment rental company. I've got it hot, so I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, finish up on the interior. Let's go ahead and get started. Excellent steers. No rust on the frame rail. Body and paint's in good shape. Nice oversized storage box here. Headache rack. No frame rust. See the pollen's got to us there. Outside aluminum wheels. Air slide fifth wheel, good rubber all the way around. This does have a nice pintle hitch set up on the back as well. Excellent brakes. Built with the factory split tank, fuel in the front side, hydraulic oil in the back there. You got they put the lines over here for safety in there. That 2-line wet kit system. This would be a continuous flow for like a Landau or a high detail trailer. Overall in really good shape. We're gonna have a few little rock pecks, little paint blemishes here and there, nothing big. A little spot on the door, but overall in good shape for an 18. Interior's nice and clean. Got a couple dummy switches that are missing there. It'd be a big deal to order those in and pop in. Extra gauges. Love the comfort side of a 567. These cabs are nice and roomy, and then kind of updated from the older traditional Peterbilts. See the coolant temps up to operating temperature. Great low side oil pressure. Smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up there just like it should. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.